see exercise 1.4 8th question. Let a is equal to minus 1 comma 1, b is equal to 0 comma 2. If the function f from a to b defined by f of x equal to ax plus b is an onto function or not, find onto function means find what is the value of e and b. So this f of x normally not there. So here only variable using. So you have to find what is the domain, what is the codomain, domain and codomain. You have to find. So what is the function also? What is the function also? You have to find. Now, so we can find the solution. So what is the given? Given is it? What is the a set? Minus 1 comma 1. What is the b set? 0 comma 2. So what is the f of x? F of x equal to ax plus b. No, f of x equal to ax plus b. So then, so domain taking and we can find x value. Domain only x value. No, codomain is y value, or else you can say f of x value. You can say no. So then x value here in a set only x value we can take. So put x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1. F of x we can substitute. So f of x equal to ax plus b. No. So then x place we can substitute minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus b. So then f of minus 1 is equal to minus into plus minus a plus b. This is your consider equation number 1. Consider equation 1. Next we can consider, so x value 1. Put x equal to 1. So what is the f of x will come? You can check here. So f of x equal to ax plus b. No. So then f of 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b. So then f of 1 equal to a plus b. This is our consider equation number 2. Equation number 2. So then, so we don't know what is the domain taking means codomain will get now. So but here domain taking means one equation type getting. So we have to find what is the codomain. What is the codomain? Then only we can find onto function or not. Onto function or not. So now, so we can find here. So if you take, if a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. If a value 1, we are taking this. So because here a value 1, you substitute and see a value 1, b value 1. Substitute means what is the codomain will get? 0. So here codomain 0 there now. So codomain will get. So we can substitute and see if a equal to 1, b equal to our assumption only a and b value we are taking a equal to 1, b equal to 1 taking, and in equation 1 substituting from 1 substituting from 1 substituting if a equal to 1, b equal to 1 from 1 substituting. So what is that? F of minus 1 equal to minus a plus b. Now so f of minus 1 is equal to a value minus 1, b value is 1 now. So then what will come? A value is 1. Okay, sorry. A value 1, b value also 1. So then what getting? F of minus 1 0. So look here. Domain is minus 1. Codomain what? 0. So codomain 0 getting. 0 getting. So again in equation 2 also you can check. In equation 2 also you can check. So from 2, if a equal to 1, b equal to 1, from 2, from equation 2 also we can check. From equation 2 also we can check. So what is the equation 2? F of 1 equal to a plus b. No, a plus b. So then f of 1 is equal to a value 1, b value also 1. So f of 1 equal to 2. If you take domain 1 means what getting? Codomain 2. So codomain 2 getting. If you take minus 1, domain minus 1 means 0 getting. Minus 1 domain codomain 0 getting is here there. If you take domain 1 means codomain 2 getting, here also codomain 2. So correctly getting. Now, so we can find, after that we can find what is the function, or which function will be there. So we can find, according to arrow diagram, we can find now. So here what is the relation there? What is the function? What is the function there? So minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0, here 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. So what is the A set? What is the B set? What is the B set? So what is the A set? Minus 1 comma 1, B set 0 comma 2. So minus 1 is a relation of 0, minus 1 is a relation of 0, 1 is a relation of 2, is a function. So here we have to find onto function or not. So what is the codomain? What is the codomain? Codomain what? 0 comma 2. So what is the range? What is the range? Range also 0 comma 2. So codomain equal to range. Codomain equal to range. No, codomain equal to range. Therefore it is a onto function. Therefore it is a onto function. So we proved onto function. So which value taking means this is one onto function getting if A equal to 1, B equal to 1. Taking only this function onto function will be there. So therefore A value is 1, B value also 1. In this way we can find.